Hello dear friends, today we are going to introduce our HPBC solar panels to you. Many European countries often experience cloudy and rainy weather where our traditional solar panels often fail to achieve sufficient electric conversion. But this is just the strength of our HPBC solar panels. This product performs very well in low light environment. Currently, the HPBC solar panels have over 20 GW of installed capacity in European market and holding about 12% of market share. And this number is still keeping on growing rapidly. We regularly have 30 megawatt solar panels in our European warehouse and ready to ship immediately to the project site. And all the European orders can be shipped directly from our local warehouse in Europe. And this guaranteeing our fastest shipping speed. At the same time, we have 120 megawatts of stock available in China. So very welcome to contact us, and I cannot wait anymore to get your inquiry.